everyone, welcome back to the vlog. So I'm here with something very exciting today. I have teamed up with HappyFabric, who make amazing cutout vinyls for you to add to your makes, your garments, whatever. And they are launching a new product called HappyFlex Stretch Metallic. And they sent me 3 sheets, pink, blue and silver, to make some things. And straight away we were like, let's make something for Bee. And Bee is my daughter, for those of you that don't know. She's nearly 3 and she loves My Little Ponies. So we thought we should make her some My Little Pony t-shirts with this amazing vinyl. HappyFabric have also lent me their HappyPress4, which is an incredible printing machine, but that doesn't mean that you need that, and you don't need a fancy cutting machine either. All you need is a pair of scissors and an iron, and you can also customize all of your own things. So it's really exciting. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to use voiceover mode for this one, which I haven't done in ages, but I thought I would just show you some hands and show you what we're up to. A lot of the hands are Stephen's, by the way. Mine do not look like that. They're lovely hands, but they are man hands. Yeah, I can't wait to show you the final result. So I'll pop on back here at the end and show you a little close-up of what we did. So enjoy! Okay, so starting with just plain t-shirts, these are just from a high street store. I'm giving them a good press at the beginning because you want to take out all of the creases before you start. And now we're using the Cricut design space, so we're using the Cricut Maker as our cutting machine. We've got Rainbow Dash, the My Little Pony, up there, and we're just making sure that we're taking out all the bits we don't want to cut. And we're also going to make sure we're happy with the size, so we're going to resize it to about 12 centimeters squared. And yeah, now we are ready to cut with the Cricut Maker. So it's now cutting. This is a very exciting bit. We let Bee press the C, that means it's about to start cutting, and she really loved that. Sadly I don't have footage of that, sorry. But this is just some nice little footage of it cutting away. So with the vinyl, you want to mirror the image if you are using a cutting machine, and you also want to have the colour or shiny foil side down, so we're seeing the other side at the moment up. I believe this is Flutterby being printed at the moment. You can see its curly hair. Yeah, okay, so that is all cut out, and now we need to weed it. This is Stephen weeding away. So we're using the Cricut tools here, but we basically are pulling away any bits that we don't want to be on the final print. I actually find this bit really enjoyable, and I did the other 2, I think. Stephen did this one so I could film it. And there you go, there's Rainbow Dash in her blue glory. And now over to the HappyPress4, which is the printing machine. You can do this with an iron, just so you know, but yes, you put it in place, you put heat-proof paper on top, which is very, very important, and then you just follow the instructions. In this case, we are just going to pull down the lever of the HappyPress, make sure it's at 150 degrees, and it times it down for 10 seconds and then pops up and is all ready to go. It's very exciting that you get to push the drawer back. It's amazing. Pop! Okay, let's have a look. You peel off a little bit, check that it's printed, and if you're happy with it, just peel it off carefully but pretty quickly as well while it's still hot. And look at that, it's so beautiful. This is literally how we spent last Saturday night. We are so rock and roll these days. But it was so much fun. And here are all 4 of them in their glory. So we've got Applejack, we've got Pinkie Pie, Rainbow Dash and Flutterby. Yay! So I hope you enjoyed that. It was so much fun, and honestly we're completely addicted. I want to bedazzle everything, and I love their HappyFlex Stretch Metallic. It's so beautiful. And thought I would show you in person these. Look at them! So if you're a My Little Pony fan, I think they haven't changed names in hundreds of years, so you should still know. We've got Flutterby. I'm going to get this wrong, aren't I? Applejack. And sorry, these are already really crumpled. Pinkie Pie. And Bee's already got food on it. I can't believe it. What's he called? Rainbow Dash. Yay! And they're just, oh, they're so beautiful. Look at the quality. Absolutely amazing. So thank you so much, HappyFabric. I loved using your vinyl and can't wait to use the HappyPress4 again. I've got it for a year, so send me any ideas. I'm so excited. I might have my whole wardrobe next week all completely vinyled, if that's a word. I first saw her t-shirt because it is so cute, and she did help us do some of them at the end, but this is just such a lovely little clip, so I will leave you with that. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're all really well. Lots and lots of love. Take care. Bye.
Have you put it on? Hooray!
Oh,
Did you just make yourself a top?
Yeah.
Wow.
it's wonderful, Bee.
What's on your top?
Pinkie Pie. Mommy made me a top called Pinkie Pie and Daddy.
Oh, we did, my darling.
Turn around and show Daddy. Oh.
What do you think, baby?
I think it's wonderful.